What's up everyone, I'm Eric with Pimp My Grill. I got more innovative products to show you. In this episode, we're going over the Gen2 Rack Systems that fit the Green Mountain Grills, Peak and Jim Bowie models, and Ledge and Daniel Boone models. Now what makes them a second generation rack system by Pimp My Grill? I'll show you the differences. Stay tuned, check it out. So that's it for the Pimp My Grill Gen2 Rack System. If you're interested in this product, check out your local pellet grill dealer. There's a good chance they're carrying our products there. If not, visit pimpmygrill.com. Tune in next time, we'll have some more cool stuff. Take care.